At AOKE, quality is never a single standard. It is the core capability that creates lasting value for our customers. True quality assurance begins at the source, building a comprehensive, end-to-end quality management system. From project confirmation, AOKE's full process quality control is fully activated. We go beyond quoting. We identify manufacturing risks across the full supply chain and resolve them before production begins. The sample stage targets stable mass production and consistent quality. All quality standards and inspection processes are systematically established before mass production begins. In production, AOKE uses automated lines for precise assembly control of all desk components. Core motor parts are fully automated from raw materials to rotor manufacturing, minimizing human error and ensuring precision and consistency. 100% inspection is performed on all key parameters. Speed, current, signal, and waveform must all pass before advancing. Strict inspection checkpoints are set at every stage, ensuring complete issue resolution. New products follow a strict FPA first article confirmation process, with full dimensional inspection by professional QC before mass production. Before final assembly, all components undergo complete inspection covering appearance, dimensions, function, and safety. The assembly process combines standard operating procedures with full quality control to ensure consistent results. Pre-shipment sampling inspection is conducted, following international AOKE standards, forming the final quality barrier before every delivery. AOKE has also established a full process data traceability system, enabling end-to-end traceability from raw materials through production, inspection, and delivery for fast problem identification and resolution. From project review to final shipment, from design stage prevention to full process inspection, from data traceability to reliable delivery. AOKE, safeguarding every confident use through systematic quality management.